should be audible. Listeners can understand your words. How it is important. How I am able to learn a language. What is the ways to learn a language? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tanvita's World. Today is very informative video. Stay tuned till the end so that we will be able to get the clarity to learn a language. How to speak English fluently and confidently. First of all, what is the fluency? How will you think? It is to talk in very fast, this is the fluency. To talk with anyone in slow, this is the fluency. What is the fluency? All are thinking about, they are talking very fast, so she has a fluency. They have so much some communication skills that they are thinking like this. No, this is not right way. Fluency means flow of language. Fluency means flow of language. When you talk with someone, we have to maintain some certain particularity. I am Kirti. I am from Hyderabad. I completed my first graduation in the SV University, Tirupati. So like this, you have to explain something in front of others with a pleasant mind. Not go very fast. Like this, I am Kirti, I am from Hyderabad, I completed my first graduation in SV University, Tirupati. Like, then when you talk like this, it's going very fast. They are all thinking this is very common. She has a very communication skills. She has a fluency on skill and language. Like this, they are thinking this is not right way to explain something in front of others. Listeners should be understand the way what you are explaining. It should be audible to the audience. They can't understand, then why you are explaining everything? It's waste of thing, right? When you explain something, it should be pleasant mind. It should be audible. It should be understandable. Well, fluent means it should be audible. Listeners can understand your words. And it should be clarity of the content. And it should be pleasant. When you explain something with a pleasant mind. And explain in effective manner. You have to use the gestures and everything. Then your content going to be very effective manner with the audience. So they can understand in easy way. So you have to follow these 4 steps while going to explain something in front of audience. They can understand. Well, don't explain like this. I am Kirti, I am from Hyderabad. Don't like this. Explain. This is not right way to explain something. So it should go for like this. I am Kirti. I am from Hyderabad. I completed MCA in SV University, Tirupati. So you should go for this with the pleasant mind. And again, don't go for like this also. I am Kirti. I am from Hyderabad. This is not good way. So you have to maintain certain thing to explain something in front of others. So you want to explain something in effective manner. So before going to that one, we have to practice for that. Read the books. Read the newspapers. Read the books. One small content. It's enough. Small content. You have to take small passage and read it with the loudy voice or silent and loud voice. When you go for silent, you will get some content, some pronunciation, and you will get some vocabulary, and you can understand the content of that. What is in that? Then when you go for loudy voice, you can get some confidence, we can get some vocabulary, we can able to get the confidence, we can able to explain something in front of others also. When you have a confidence, when you have using the content with the loudy voice, so you have to go for loudy voice only. When you go for reading newspapers, it is not calling as a passage, it should call as columns. Just take little bit column, small column, then we will get some new vocabulary. So write it on your notebook. You have to use that words in daily basis. Without that, no useful for that. So try it like this way. You have to read at least small passages in book or newspaper, anyone. You have to take your wish, what you are interested. But your environment should be in English only. Moreover, reading is essential part of learning languages, right? So you have to read something. and explain in front of mirror at the starting stage. Then create your environment in English. It should be must and should. You have to create in your mobile also. Each and every app it should be in English. And your surroundings and your friends, everywhere you should talk in English, so that you will get some clarity. You will get some confidence to talk with someone, to confidence to learn a languages. We don't have a good environment. That's why we can't able to get that much of amazing results. We are facing, that is the problem. When you go for learning, when you take the courses or reading something, and when you don't have an idea, you don't have a strategy, how it's possible to get the fluency? You have take 45 days, 3 months course. After that, the starting say you have to stop that learning. Then how it's possible to get the fluency? No, right? You have to everyday practice. It's needed. You have to take some effort to learn a language. Practice, hard work make you man perfect, right? So you have to practice every day so that you will get some confidence. In my life also, I don't have any idea. No one is there to guide me to learn a language. I face so many problems. 1 week I practice, again I stop it. 1 month I practice, again I stop it. Because I don't have a clarity. This is the right way, this is the right sentence, this is good pronunciation, this word is good pronunciation or not. Like this I am getting always negative thoughts. So I can't able to learn a language in English. In my side it's very difficult to learn a language. I am thinking like this way. So try reading something and explain in front of mirror. Even I am also faced so many problems to learn a language when I was learning. Now I can able to talk with someone. Now I am able to do something in my life every day. I am very curious to learn every day something different. That's why I am happy now. I am still learning. I don't have much knowledge in English, but I have ideas to go where. That's why I am sharing with you to help you. At the starting stage, I can't able to do anything because I don't have idea to make a sentences. I don't have a pronunciation of exact words. I am able to get the negative thoughts. This is not right pronunciation. This is not right sentence. Is this correct or not? I'm able to get the negative thoughts only. Just start talking, guys. It's enough. Start talk with your friends. Otherwise, you have a fear, you have a hesitation. Then go for explain something in front of mirror. But when you explain something in front of mirror, your camera should be on. Then make a recording and to check it how explaining or not. I'm able to talk or not. Check it yourself. Analyze yourself. No one is there to guide you. So you have to upgrade every day. You have to update yourself every day. Start learning new things in every day so that you will be able to get success. What you want. Create a goal in your life. Just 30 days. Try 30 days. Read something 5 minutes and explain 2 minutes what you have read. I'm able to explain or not. Check it yourself so that you will get some clarity on you. So you have to put efforts much more. This is the right way to learn a language, guys. This is the video today. I think you will get some information in this video so that you will get clarity to learn a language, how it is important, how I am able to learn a language, what is the ways to learn a language. Everything you can learn in this video. How to get the fluency in my life, how to talk, how to speak English fluently and confidently without fear, without hesitation. You can get some clarity in this video. So it will useful for you. Share with your friends. They will get some clarity to learn language. It is most essential part of life, right, guys, nowadays. English is the main important thing. So you have to take the step, move forward to learn language. Well, if you really like this video, please give me one thumbs up. That's make me to do more videos. And thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet on next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.